Hey you. Yes, you. How you doing? It is cold in this Nairobi, guys. We're back at the Greenspoon kitchen and today we are going to be making a white bean curry because we need to warm up and we need some deliciousness in our life. Anyway, I'm going to grab my coffee, get ingredients and get started. Rundown of the ingredients. We have some white peas here. We have dhania, ginger garlic paste, a little bit of honey for some sweetness, totally optional, onion, curry powder, some turmeric for extra color and just a bit more flavor. Then we have some tomato, coconut cream, salt, pepper, and of course our olive oil. Let's get into this recipe. Ooh, almost forgot chili because it's cold in Nairobi and some lemon for a little bit of freshness. Okay, let's go. So into the pan, we start off with olive oil, straight in with your onions. Let's get some salt into the onions. It'll help them cook quicker. Cook your onions until they're browned, and then we will go ahead and add the ginger garlic paste. This is not going to cook for long because garlic will burn, but we're just going to warm it up. So the ginger and garlic is starting to stick at the bottom of the pan, so I'm going to go in with the tomatoes now. It's been about 2 minutes. Tomatoes are breaking down, they're getting jammy. So what we're going to go and do now is hit it with the curry powder, the spices. Got some curry powder, a little extra turmeric. The spices have cooked down. I'm going to go in with the peas, about 2 cups of white peas. These are pre-boiled. So it's been 5 minutes. Everything has really got to know one another. I've added a bit of water. I think I'm just going to add a little bit more. The peas have softened a bit more and it's now time to go in with the coconut cream. But first, we are going to hit it with the chili. So I've just chopped up about 1/4 of a red serenade chili. You can also use chili powder, but I really like using the fresh. When you have it, use fresh. Just going to mix that in. And then we will go with the coconut cream. This is going to add that delicious richness. Of course, if you don't like the taste of coconut, you can use natural yogurt. So everything is looking super delicious right now. The sauce is saucy. I can see the coconut oil has really mixed in well. So right now, I'm going to go in with a little black pepper. Hit it with some black pepper, then I'm going to go with some lemon. And just squeeze it in straight. Catch the seeds with your hand if there are any. Okay, so for the final touch, we are going to go with some honey. Just a tiny bit. So once the honey is in, we are going to do the finishing touches, which is some dhania. So we're going to serve this with just a side of naan bread, but you can also have this with chapati, with rice, honestly, whatever you fancy. So we're done making the white pea curry, and today I have Anne here with me. Hi, Anne.
Hi.
Welcome, welcome.
Thank you.
So today you will be doing the taste test for me for the white pea curry. Feel free to have some naan with it and enjoy. Alternatively, you can always, it's good. Yeah, okay, that's great. So alternatively, you can always serve this with chapati or even white rice, whatever your favorite carb is, you can serve it with that. But this is a really wholesome recipe that you can make during the cold season. Right now, you can even see she's dressed for this weather. I mean, it's cold, guys, and we need to make recipes that are wholesome and healthy for us to enjoy. So I hope you're enjoying the
I'm
recipe.
really enjoying. I actually love the coconuts.
Oh, great. I'm glad you do. Yeah.
It's
Okay.
really nice.
Yay, great. All right, so guys, you can get all these wonderful ingredients from the Greenspoon website and their app, and you can get to make this recipe at home as well and stay warm. We're going to continue eating this and we'll catch you later. Ciao.